In this video, I will show you how to fix Uber driver app cannot go online issue. A weak or unstable internet connection can prevent you from going online. If you are in area with poor network coverage, move to a different location and try again. You can also switch between mobile data and Wi-Fi to see if that resolves the issue. An outdated app version can cause technical issues. Open the Google Play Store on Android or App Store on iOS. Search for Uber driver and check if an update is available. If an update is available, install it, then restart the app and try again. If you registered in a different city and are trying to go online in another city, Uber may not allow you to drive in that location. Contact Uber support to check if your account has location restrictions. If your driver rating is too low, Uber may restrict your access to go online. To improve your rating, focus on providing better service to riders and maintaining high standards. Uber has daily driving time limits for drivers to ensure safety. If you have exceeded the allowed driving hours, you will need to wait until the restriction resets. Expired or missing driver documents can prevent you from going online. Check your Uber driver app for any alerts regarding document verification. Also, check your email inbox and spam folder for messages from Uber regarding document renewal. If your documents have expired, upload updated documents in the app to regain access. If Uber has revoked your access, you might need to re-register or contact Uber support for assistance. Go to Uber driver app help section and visit the Uber website for further guidance. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Uber driver app issue and go online successfully. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.